Happy hump day, everyone. It's Wednesday afternoon, and some of us are starting to get a little bit wet across the valley, so let's take a quick look outside. We just had a shower push through Columbiana here along the traffic circle. Actually, if you look carefully, you can see what looks like a rain shaft out there in the distance coming out of that cloud. If these continue for the rest of the day, it might be a good afternoon or evening for some rainbows across the region with these scattered showers and some holes in the clouds in between. We also had a little bit of a shower around Niles along 422 over the last half an hour or so that road surface is looking damp. Here's a 15-minute radar loop. Most of this is in southern Mahoning County down into Columbiana County. We have had, again, a little bit of wet weather up in Trumbull County. Everything is kind of drifting slowly off to the north. This is pretty light rain. Occasionally it gets a little bit heavier in the yellow here, but for the most part this is just a passing, fairly light to moderate shower. These will come and go. Here's a look at the half an hour, I should say, loop of the radar backing things off into all of Ohio and Pennsylvania here. As you can see, there's more activity to the west, but a lot of this is not going to quite reach far eastern Ohio and western PA. I'll show you here on our high-resolution Futurecast how a lot of this just sort of hits a brick wall right around maybe I-77, and then everything starts to sink back to the south tonight as our area of low pressure sinks to the south. So, all things considered, I don't think we're looking at a ton of wet weather through tonight. Just we'll have to be on guard for a couple of passing showers this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures a little cool for early May, upper 50s, lower 60s. I think we do have more wet weather coming our way tomorrow and into parts of tomorrow night. Here's a look at our computer model spread of rainfall totals. I think an average of a quarter of an inch, I should say, to a half an inch in total between now and Thursday night. Looks pretty likely. Plan on a damp day and a cool day coming up on our Thursday. Andrew and I will talk about that, the weekend, and much more on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening. Mother's Day weekend coming up. We'll tell you all about the timing of showers and storms. I think the timing overall is going to work out in most people's favor. We'll take a look at next week and the rest of May, the long-range models suggesting warmth. We'll talk about that this evening on Weather for Weather Geeks, and I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.